Hey fam, I know it's been a while. Welcome if you guys are new, and welcome back, cousins. I'm back. Hey girl, hey. So today's video is going to be showcasing this effortless human hair bob unit that I did receive from SamsBeauty.com. Shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. I will link all their information down below in the description box. And yes, y'all, that Ebin New York spray is here to stay. I am obsessed with that spray, and I will link it down below because you can purchase it on SamsBeauty.com as well. So let's hop right into the details about this unit. This unit is by Ali Hairs, which is a human hair line that's exclusive to SamsBeauty.com. I am rocking the Celebrity collection. The style of this unit is called Celebrity Deep Part HD Lace Bob Wig, and I have it in 14 inches. You can select, I believe, 10, 12, and 14 inches if I'm not mistaken for this particular bob. So I love that you have options. As you can tell, this is a straight part wig. It's kind of like an eye part wig, and it makes it so much more effortless and beginner friendly. So if you are looking for something to just throw on and go, then this unit definitely can work for you. Okay, it's the second day. I wanted to come in and show you guys how this wig looked because I had to go and reapply it without any makeup because I'm pretty sure you're going to be able to tell, but it was a little bit cakey in this area. So I wanted to do this with due diligence. So this is how she is sitting, and I'm impressed. For a beauty supply store human hair unit, I'm definitely impressed. And at the affordable price, I feel like this could be a great staple in your collection for the spring and the summertime. This is just a nice year-round unit anyways. I love the length. All the specs and the information will be listed down below, of course, and a direct link to SamsBeauty.com. But yeah, I did flat iron it too. And I did go in with my hot comb and just pressed it down a little bit. So it just looks so much better. And the shedding definitely died down. The flow, the body, everything. Definitely cop this unit if this is your style. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.